Alright, so after over a year of bashing the crap out of this thing, front tire finally went flat. I think it's leaking right at the base of the stem here. I can't tell what happened and why it's leaking, so I have to inspect it. Alright, so I took the motor out with these 6 bolts, and here's where we're at. It's a lot easier to deal with. Weighs like practically nothing compared to what it used to, so now I should be able to access... Oh, look at that. Hey, wait a minute. That's how you take the tire off? Really? Okay. Well, now I can inspect where the problem is. We gotta figure this out and see where the exact problem is. So I'm gonna have to fill up the tube a little bit with some air and see where it's leaking. All right, that was really easy. Yeah, we get about like 1, 2, 3 leaks on this side. A few more on this side. Definitely not holding air. It's coming out rapidly somewhere. Like very rapidly. I think we got a massive gash right here. I think that's what we're dealing with. I can feel the air pumping out of it, so... That's not good. What is that? It's the inner lining of the tube. Yeah, I can get my finger through that. So yeah, it's the inner lining of the tube. All right, I need a new tube. Okay, I see where we're at. You can't do tubeless with this setup. It's called a split rim setup. So you can't put the tubeless setup on. So it doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to get my other tube. Thankfully, I got that other tube when I bought the other tire. I'm gonna keep using this tire for now. And I'm gonna install the sealant into the tube. Hopefully that'll work. I might stick some sealant in the tire also. So I don't know, I'm gonna look that up. What's the best way to put sealant into this setup? Okay, what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of sealant into the tire itself first. Just like a little bit, get it in there, and then put the tube in, and then add some sealant into the tube if I even can. So I have to check to see if I can remove the core. Let's try to do that now. Yes, I can. I removed the core, so yes, I'm gonna put everything back on. A little bit of sealant in here, put this on, get the sealant in here, and have sealant in both places just to protect everything. I think that's the best way to do it at the moment. And then we'll go from there. I'll just fill it up and test it out. All right, we're back in business. Everything seemed to work out fine. I got the sealant in, no problem. Put a bunch in. The rest squeezed out a little bit that was in between the tube and the tire, so it's still fine. And we got back to 50 PSI, so I'll throw it back on and pray that I'm not gonna get a flat today. And yeah, fill up the back tire on the old beast to 50 PSI too, and then get her back in business for today. So that was a nice experience. All right. If this is the end of the video, see you in the next one. Come back again for more fun. All right. After 4 hours on this thing tonight, 3 to 4 hours, she did great. No flats, no nothing. Back one's still doing great too. Charging her up because I sucked all the energy out of her. Riding like crazy. 3rd day on the charge. New tube, some sealant. We're happy. For now. Tire's getting its threads worn down, and we do have a new one ready to go. So I'm gonna order some new tubes. Now that I know that they're not tubeless, and not even able to do tubeless, which I didn't know until now. So live and learn. Just because it says tubeless doesn't mean it is. Not with the split rim setup, that's for sure. With the motor. All right, everybody. See you in the next video. Thanks again. Come back for more.